Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Mark with KM Home Buyers. Today I'm going to do a very brief, quick video, and I try to get to the point and not ask for subscribers and comments and all that. So today I'm going to focus on the inspection period for a wholesaler and how important that is to you during the deal. So when you find a buyer, you lock up a house in contract and you get a buyer, okay? And they talk about they want to purchase the property, they want to, excuse me, it's a little crooked. They want to move forward and purchase the property. The inspection period is by far the most important period to you and how to control the deal. Once they go see the property, most of our properties are pretty distressed, between $20,000 and $40,000 in repairs. The inspection period isn't going to be some meticulous inspection period because they know it needs all this work. They're not going to come back and hammer you on it like you're buying a retail property. So you tell the guy, listen, go look at the house 100 times, make yourself happy and comfortable. We want you to feel comfortable in the deal. We don't want you to purchase a home you don't feel comfortable with. But when you're good and ready, when your contractor's done looking at it, inspecting it, we need you to place escrow deposit, which is EMD, same as escrow deposit, at the title company. We use AMZ Title. They're great. Alexandra's the owner. She's been doing my properties ever since I've had my company. So once the inspection period is over, so you're going to write on that contract. Let's say today's date is what is today's date? Today's date is April 22nd. You're going to say, they call me and they say, hey Mark, we love your property, we want to purchase it. I say, okay. EMD deposit needs to be placed in by tomorrow by 5, April 23rd, by 5 p.m. And the inspection period ends tomorrow at 5 p.m. Okay? They've had all the time in the world the last week to look at the property or do whatever they had to do. Go up on the roof. I don't care what they do with it. But once they're satisfied with wanting to purchase it, it's time to move forward with the EMD and the inspection period's over. Okay? And you definitely want to make sure your inspection period covers, your EMD covers your EMD on your original sell to purchase agreement with your seller. So that covers yourself. So let's say the buyer puts a $2,500 escrow deposit in and then bails on the deal 2 days before the deal. Well, you also have an escrow deposit with the seller, and you want to make sure that your escrow deposit with your buyer is more than the seller one. So if they fail, then you can cover your seller's EMD because you will owe that figure if you don't close. So the most important thing is let your buyers really take their time and look at the property as much as possible to feel comfortable. I never want my buyers to be rushed or purchase a property they don't feel comfortable with. And we don't sell properties at KM Home Buyers unless they're clean titles, clean liens, and we make aware if there's any foundation issues or sinkholes. We're not going to sell anybody a property that's not clean. But once that time is over, they have to step up to the plate and put an EMD escrow deposit. That tells you that the buyer is ready, he's serious, and he's ready to put his money where his mouth is and close. So the inspection period is really one of the most important things in a reassignment because it tells you when the buyer is ready to go. So that's what I want to talk about inspections. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, leave it down below. Give me a call, 813-213-4884 if you have any questions. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. This is Mark with KM Home Buyers.